Greetings and thank you for joining me. I will be discussing the amethyst stone in this video. Before we get started, if you have not yet, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you turn on the notifications so that you can know when I post a new video. Alright, so let's get into it. Amethyst stone. This is one of my favorite stones. It's a very gorgeous stone. It can come in deep purple, as you see in the picture, banded. This one is called the banded amethyst stone. So you see some deep purple hues as well as some light purple, even some white and some earthy looking colors. But amethyst can also come in like a light purple. It can almost look like a clear quartz with just a hue of purple. But nonetheless, it's a beautiful stone, and what you're looking at is the raw version of this stone, which I am a big fan of the raw, and offer raw stones on my website, queenyenn.com. Amethyst stone is a stone for the first eye chakra, and you may say, first eye chakra, what is that? Many call it third eye, but I call it first eye because I do believe we should lead with our first eye, which is our intuition, our spirit, our gut feelings. We should lead with that. Sometimes we do not consult spirit. We do not go into meditation or prayer before we make decisions. And then when stuff hit the fan, that's when we want to consult spirit, go into prayer, go into meditation. But if we really work with the amethyst, get our intuition keen, and lead with our intuition, we will find that we decrease the likelihood of us running into issues that we can avoid if we just consult spirit. Our gut feelings never lie. The amethyst is also a great stone for those who are looking to have a better sleep at night. It's called sleeper stone. So you can put it under your pillow to help you to rest at night. So that's a beautiful stone. It reminds me of lavender. Usually when I'm working with the amethyst stone, if I'm using it to relax and to sleep, I'll drink some lavender tea, maybe sprinkle some lavender oil on my bed, and then have my amethyst on my headboard, which has a little bookshelf compartment to it. So I put the amethyst there. Do be aware, though, that gemstones, when you sleep with gemstones, sometimes it does invoke lucid dreaming, which can be quite exciting in your sleep and can keep you awake. So if you do find that you're not resting well with that amethyst, and maybe your dream state has heightened, then instead of putting it under your pillow, just put it close to you, but not under the pillow. All right. And then lastly, amethyst stone is a great amplifier. So I usually use the amethyst stone to charge and keep my other gemstones cleansed and charged, So the amethyst is known to amplify the energy of other stones, and also to amplify your energy. So as you are working with other stones, try to incorporate an amethyst, and it can really amplify that energy. Or if you are wanting to have a boost of energy, or wanting to amplify some of your characteristic traits or things of that nature, maybe consider carrying that amethyst stone. A lot of people wear it as a necklace. They may carry it on them in their pocket, or in their purse, or things of that nature. So yeah, amplifier really ignites, that energy that you're looking to increase in your life. So in short, those three things. And of course, I tell people all the time, this is really just a summary. It's so much information. It's a wealth of knowledge about all of these gemstones out on your internet browser. So by all means, look up the other properties that people have found to be associated with amethyst. But those are the three that I utilize the amethyst for, and that is to open up my first eye chakra, usually known as third eye chakra, making sure my intuition is keen, making sure I'm able to see things clearly, and know which way to go in situations. Also, I utilize it for sleeper stone to help me relax, to help me sleep. I couple it with lavender oil, lavender tea. and as an amplifier for my gemstones and for my own energy centers. I hope you enjoyed this, and by all means, feel free to leave comments about how you've used amethyst stones and any questions that you may have. And stay tuned to the YouTube channels. Whatever questions you ask, you just might see your answer posted. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Much peace, many blessings to you.